Hey besties, come with me to Jamaica for a surprise pamputtae for your birthday. Yeah, my sister from another mother. You know, I'm gonna take picture with my bestie them at the airport. But when I arrive to Kingston, Jamaica, I'm reach I'm yard. I'm feel good. Pamputtae is having a all-white birthday party tonight, and I'm here to surprise her. So you know, girl, walk out nice and clean, and I'm gonna surprise her.
She's speechless. That's why I never call you. Come and know you ever ask me, yeah, come. I fly the name, but I could have never delay this. You're crazy. But I have to fly in for your birthday. And it's not a small thing, it's a big thing. You're crazy. You can't ever say you can't do this. You can't ever say you can't.